And part of his makeup, here's a 2-1 pitch, is hit high and deep to right field, and Greg Bird has got himself a multi-home run game. No doubt about that one, onto the berm in right field. He hit one to left in the third, he hit one to right in the fifth, and the Isotopes now trail it 5-4. Well, Greg Bird is a guy who throughout his career has hit home runs in bunches. He famously hit 13 home runs in the major leagues in his first 6 weeks after the Yankees had called him up. Got a pitch middle in. Blackburn immediately was upset at himself in that location. And some fans walking out from right center out to right, and all of a sudden incoming, here comes a baseball. Here's